Meaning of data.
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 Data. Data refers to a collection of facts, figures, statistics, or any information that can be recorded, stored, or analyzed for a specific purpose. It can include both qualitative and quantitative information, ranging from text, images, audio, and video to numerical values and measurements. Data is used in various fields, including science, business, healthcare, education, and technology, to make informed decisions, draw insights, and drive innovation. The importance of data has grown significantly with advances in technology, as it enables organizations to track performance, predict outcomes, and enhance efficiency and productivity.